Single-room humidifiers make it easy to replace lost moisture in small spaces, but to affect the entire home, you need a whole-house humidifier. So in today's video, we will show you the top 5 best whole-house humidifiers on the market. This will help you save money in the long run. We made this list based on price, performance, durability, and user feedback. To see more information and the most up-to-date prices, check out the links in the description below. Number 1. Aprilaire 500 Whole Home Humidifier Automatic. It's tough to pick a single best whole house humidifier because so many homes are different. The American-made Aprilaire 500 takes the award, however, for its combination of efficiency, comprehensive feature set, and suitability for the average modern home, which is about 2,300 square feet, according to the latest U.S. Census Bureau figures. This is an HVAC humidifier with an actual maximum coverage of 3,000 square feet. It has 2 sensors, one for outside temperature and one for relative humidity. Once the desired level is set using the clear digital display, the Aprilaire automatically adjusts performance to suit. Why we love it. Sensors automatically maintain humidity. Economical to run. Competitive price. Number 2. Aprilaire 800Z 800 Whole Home Steam Humidifier. The Aprilaire 800Z is a high-output steam humidifier that works in conjunction with a furnace and can provide precise humidity levels for homes of up to 6,200 square feet. Special heating electrodes allow use of ordinary tap water, unlike competitors that often require a purified supply. Once the digital humidistat is set, outdoor and indoor sensors ensure automatic maintenance of the desired humidity, so this is a set-and-forget device. Alarm lights on the main unit warn of problems with water supply, steam production, drain blockage, or when the humidifier needs to be serviced. Why we love it. Runs from ordinary household water. Dual sensors optimize humidity automatically. Modest running costs. Number 3. Aprilaire 700 Whole Home Humidifier. The minerals in hard water can play havoc with whole house humidifiers. Some eject calcium and magnesium into the air, which can aggravate breathing conditions. White dust can settle out too, covering furniture and getting into sensitive electronics. Others trap the chemicals, but the buildup eventually causes blockages or damage. The Aprilaire 700 can operate with hard or soft water and hot or cold supply. Any minerals from hard water are collected in the water panel, preventing them from getting into the air. Why we love it. Runs off hard or soft water. Automatic monitoring and adjustment. Fan provides rapid humidification. Number 4. Vornado Evap 44-gallon Evaporative Humidifier. For those who live in apartments or other small homes, most whole-house humidifiers are overkill. Yet many room humidifiers don't provide sufficient coverage. One efficient, low-cost solution is the Vornado Evap 40. This unit offers 3 fan speeds and a clever vortex action that spreads humidity evenly over an area of up to 1,000 square feet. There are 2 easy-to-manage 2-gallon tanks, giving 24 hours of runtime at the highest fan setting. Why we love it. Vortex action for rapid circulation. Simple controls. Very affordable. Number 5. AIRCARE 831000 Whole House Evaporative Humidifier. Space is often at a premium in many modern homes, so the compact dimensions of this AIRCARE may be ideal. Despite its diminutive size, it can provide humidity for areas of up to 2,700 square feet. There are 3 speed settings that allow managing performance and volume. It can be noisy when working hard, but the unit will shut off when it reaches the user-set humidity level. The Easy Fill water tank holds 6 gallons, allowing up to 70 hours of continuous output. Casters provide for easy movement. Why we love it. Compact and relatively quiet. Long runtime. Competitive price. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed our video and found it to be helpful, please do like, comment, and share this, and for future videos like this, please do subscribe to our channel.